Okay, let's do the next one. This should be the last one. So this last section, here's some patterns. Like if you multiply two conjugates, you get difference of squares. If you multiply a binomial squared, you get this pattern. And if it's a minus b, you get that pattern. And then if you cube it, you get the 1, 3, 3, 1 pattern. And if it's negative, it's positive, negative, positive, negative pattern. Anyway, it's just a thing. If you think that's useful, then you can write that down in your note sheet. But anyway, here we go. Pascal's triangle to cube x minus 2. So in Pascal's triangle, we're going to use the 1, 3, 3, 1 pattern. Okay? And we're using x minus 2. Remember, when we did this, it was a minus b cubed, right? But now, instead of a minus b, it's x minus 2, where a is x and b is negative 2. Okay? But this pattern that was 1, 3, 3, 1, remember, it had a started as a power of 3, and then a power of 2, then just 1a. And b started with no b's, just 1b, power of 2, then a power of 3, and then that. And then we can plug x in for all the a's and negative 2 in for all the b's. So I'll do that. So x in for all the a's and negative 2 in for all the b's. So the answer is x cubed plus 2. See how it's negative 2? So it's going to be minus 6 x squared, because 2 times 3 is 6, and then there's an x squared. And then negative 2 is squared, so that's positive 4. So it's plus 12x. And then negative 2 is cubed, and that's negative 8, so minus 8. And there it is. Do you see that one up here? X cubed minus 6x squared plus 12x minus 8. So it's this one right there. It's a hard thing to do. Just take the extra time it takes to put the parentheses where these variables are. And then plug in your x for A and your negative 2 in for B. And then you'll just get it right. It's really not that bad. Now, adding should be a breeze. You just add the like terms. There's 2 terms with x squared, and negative 8 and negative 5 is negative 13. So negative 13x squared. Now, I didn't need to use my fingers, but I just wanted to show you that it's okay to use your fingers. If it means getting it correct, then use your fingers. Just get it correct. You've got to be in the habit of getting it correct. And if that's what you need to do to get it correct, then use your fingers. 4x, 2x, those add to 6x. Negative 2 plus 1, negative 1. So there's the answer for the first one. Subtracting is harder. Take a little extra time. Rewrite this, because this negative sign goes to everything in the parentheses. Rewrite it. Negative 2x to the fourth, negative 3x to the third, plus x squared minus x plus 4, and cross this original one out. So when you add the like terms, you don't look back at the original one and grab the wrong thing. Now the like terms, for x to the fourth, positive 7, negative 4, those add up to positive 5x to the 4. For x to the third, negative 9 and negative 3, it's negative 12 x to the third. And the x squared is negative 4x, positive 1x, negative 3x. And then the plain old, the numbers without any x's at all. Positive 6, positive 4, plus 10. Did I forget the second power? Oh, geez. See, I did something wrong. See, because the x to the fourths are here. X to the thirds are here. Oh yeah, look. X squared. Oh yeah. X and the numbers at the end. So I probably need to do something. Let's see. Positive 5, negative 12, negative 3x squared. All right, that's not too bad. Now the x's. 5 plus 4x. And the numbers without it. Plus 10. That's the answer. Oh, sheesh. Now these multiplying, gosh, can I extend this? I'm going to go to the next page just so I can write it bigger. So let me do that quickly. It'll be better. If this ever shows up. Where the heck is it? There it is. Let's go to the other page. I'll do these one at a time. Okay. Scroll down. Still in order. 65, find the product. Now there's lots of ways to do this. Really, you're just distributing this x and then the negative 3. Okay, negative x times 2x squared, negative 2x to the third. Negative x times 5x minus 5x squared minus 8x. Okay, just distribute it. Now this negative 3 times 2x squared is negative 6x squared. I suggest you put the like terms, in line with each other, so when you're adding like terms, it's very easy. Negative 3 times 5x is negative 15x. Negative 3 times 8 is negative 24. And let's add these together. We have negative 2x to the third minus 11x squared minus 23x minus 24. Yeah, that's good. We've done a better job lining them up. We're good. Last one. Maybe the trickiest, because you can't use Pascal's triangle for this. Oh boy. This is what I would do. I would take the two negatives and multiply those together, and then multiply it by x plus 2. Okay, so let's take the two negatives and multiply them together. X squared minus 6x minus 5x plus 30. Okay? So x plus 2, moving in first. X squared minus 11x plus 30. There's no shortcut with this. Okay? X times x squared, x to the third. I'm going to move this over just so I can remove. I don't want to run into that thing that's down there. Okay. Distribute this x to all three. Then distribute this 2 to all three. So the x times x squared, x cubed. X times 11x would make 11x squared. X times 30 plus 30x. Okay, simple to do. Now, 2 times x squared, 2x squared. 2 times 11x, negative 22x. 2 times 30 plus 60. Looks like we're done. X cubed minus 9x squared plus 8x plus 60. All right, there you go. That is all the work for the final exam. So hopefully, if you have any questions, you can ask in class, of course. But if you're not in class or you forgot to ask or you're too shy to ask, then just watch the video. It'll be there. Hopefully I explained everything. And good luck. The final exam always has a way of dropping your grade a little bit. But if you spend a little time getting ready for it, then it'll go well and you'll do well. So we'll be taking it after a nice long break. You'll have all that time to do some extra studying. So good luck to you, and I'll see you in class soon.